Go pee pee. Go poop. Just walking around out here. So peaceful. Here, a little bird or something up there. I've seen. There he goes. Get this property cleaned up. Still got a lot of work to do up here. Get some of these smaller pines up. Hey, Manny. Emma, come. Emma, come. Come. Emma hates being out in the rain and she don't want to go to the bathroom. She just refuses and then pouts. Let's go poop. Hey, I brought her out too early to go poop though. Come on. Quit being dramatic. I know you don't like rain. You'll be alright. You'll be just fine. Just fine. What these two rocks are doing here. Probably so somebody don't hit it with a lawnmower or something, I don't know. See that big brush pile of all these pines we cut up out of the yard. Yep. A lot of work to do here. A lot of work. Property goes down through the woods. It's pretty up here though. Very peaceful. Next door we have a vineyard. They've been working up here and you can hear them riding four-wheelers and stuff. And so we've got some muscadines up here, wild grapes. And I've got several grapevines that grow up here. But yeah, I'll walk down here towards this way. Go with the dogs. Maybe my dogs will finish going to the bathroom. Very thankful to be up here. Such peace. A lot of deer up here and turkey. Property line goes way down in there. I'll walk around. Lived on the outskirts of the city, and to move up here because I'm a country girl, to get back out of the city. I wasn't in the city that long, but long enough for me. And I enjoy being outside, doing a garden, things like that. And just great to be back up in the country again on top of a little mountain near South Mountain Park in North Carolina. And I'm thinking, because I got so much work to do up here. I want to start a garden, but I'll probably have to do grow bags because and I'm going to clear out some trees as well to do grow bags this year, but I don't know. I could do raised beds, but just a thought. A lot of holly trees up here. They do have berries on them. The soil is red clay here, so that can be a pain sometimes. I've never really grew anything on red clay ground, so I don't know a whole lot about it. Maybe some of you guys might know about that type of soil and what you need to do. I'm not a professional gardener by any means, but I enjoy doing it. And so here's my basement. You have to go downstairs, down outside and around to my basement. I had to put some rocks down because it's just so filthy under there. I'm going to fix that, Lord willing, this summer. And there's I got a gate out there. I don't know if you can see it, but I do have a gate with some really cute deer on it to keep the gate shut. And I know my dogs are probably not liking being out in this weather right now. It's okay. It's not gonna kill us. I'm drinking my coffee as I'm walking around. I got a really nice neighbor we met a while back. He's really just a super great guy. He's the one that owns the fence on the other side of the road, the gate. And then there's another guy beside him, and his dog likes to visit. If my dogs are not out, he's afraid of my dogs. But yeah, there's his gate. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, there it is. Super nice guy. Super nice guy. He walks his German Shepherd all the time. And I gotta beware of dog signs up here in a couple of places. One on the outside of the fence, of course, and then because my dog is not friendly to strangers at all, and she's just protective. She's a good dog. Now my little guy, he barks. He's the barker. Yeah. But my big girl, she's very protective, as she should be for that breed. There she is looking at me all mean, like get me in the house. Are you mad? Are you mad at Mom? Are you mad? Yeah. She's waiting to go in the house. She is not happy. Oh, there's my neighbor's dog. He's barking at us. He's a sweet dog, though. I love dogs. I work with them every day. There's my grapevines. So, yeah. Just a quick walk. Uh-oh. What? Are you mad? What? What? Get him. Oh, not me. What's the matter? Come on. No. My dog's trying to run through my legs. She loves to do that. Come on, let's go in. I know, we're not going in the front door. We're going in the side door. Come on. Come on. Emma, come. Come on. We're going to go in this way. We're going to have to dry y'all off. Good girl. Good girl. I know you're ready to go in. You're going to have to wait. Yep. So that's my place. Here's my view. Hope you enjoyed a quick walk around.